instead of doing this, right, you put the nice outdoor kitchen, you have the full thing going, right? And you have the outdoor living room, yeah, that's right. Exactly.
Receiver right
Yeah.
there, and then TV stuff up there, and that's
That's right.
Lovely kitchen, lighting.
Now this is not equestrian zone, right?
Yeah, it is.
This property zoned?
You could put it right there.
Okay.
You could,
Yeah, 2 or 3 horses on here.
Easy.
Yeah. Plus you can take all, I mean, you can retain one, take all that area back too pretty easily.
What do you think about this floor, guys?
I like it. It's all right.
It could be stained.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just stain it dark and you're done.
Yeah.
Sand it, stain it.
This is totally salvageable.
Yeah.
Okay. But you wouldn't have to bring the same floor through, honey, to the family room. I think you could get away with a different floor
I don't know.
for temporarily. Oh, I didn't do the bar. Lovely bar. Ceiling fan. Ow. And we could go into the laundry room. Okay. Guest bath. Nice toilets. And into